Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has at least 50% battery and is paired to your iPhone. This prevents interruptions. Once paired, open the watch app on your phone and go to the My Watch tab to access faces and wallpaper settings. Choose the image source, photos, live photo, or a custom PNG/JPG, so that the image dimensions and format match the Ultra 2 display. Make small edits on the phone now to avoid resizing problems later on the watch. Now you prepare the image precisely. Crop to a square or the Ultra 2 recommended dimensions so key content isn't clipped. Once done, adjust brightness and contrast because OLED watches render blacks differently. Darker blacks save battery and improve contrast. Make backgrounds simple so complications and widgets remain readable. Then use the watch app's Add Photo Face or choose Set as Watch Face from Photos. Syncing transfers the new face to your Ultra 2. Make sure the watch stays unlocked until the transfer finishes. Finish by pressing and holding the current watch face, selecting the new photo face, and tapping Customize to fine-tune position, complications, and time placement so everything is legible. If the image fails to appear, make sure Bluetooth is active, then toggle it or unpair and repair only if necessary. A quick restart of both devices often fixes sync glitches. If you still see errors, try a smaller resolution image. That reduces transfer time and avoids memory limits on the Ultra 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.